25 tech myths busted under 3 minutes. Are you ready? Let's go then. Question number 1. True or false? Macs do not get viruses. True. More megapixel always means better camera quality. False. Closing background apps saves battery life on smartphones. False. Using a computer while it's charging will damage the battery. False. Incognito mode makes you completely anonymous online. False. You should defragment your SSD. False. Wi-Fi signals can be blocked by walls. True or false? True. Bluetooth uses more battery than Wi-Fi. False. Higher RAM always means faster performance. False. Antivirus software is unnecessary if you practice safe browsing. False. You can charge your phone overnight without damaging the battery. True. All computer screens emit harmful blue light. False. Deleting files from your computer removes them permanently. False. Using a VPN guarantees complete privacy online. False. Smartphones are always tracking your location. True. You need to restart your computer regularly to keep it running well. False. The more apps you have open, the slower your device will be. True. Public Wi-Fi networks are always secure if they require a password. False. A bigger battery means a longer usage time for device. False. All web browsers are equally secure against the threats. False. You can recover deleted files from an SSD easily. False. Streaming music uses less data than streaming video. True. Using incognito mode prevents websites from tracking you entirely. False. You should always use a screen protector on your devices. False. Upgrading to the latest operating system always improves performance. False.